Hello everyone, and welcome once again to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm showing you how to prepare a very healthy oat banana bread. This bread contains no flour, no sugar, and no margarine or butter. So it's very healthy and a very good substitute for your regular white bread if you have insulin resistance, you are a diabetic, and those of us trying to shed some weight or on a weight loss journey. These are the ingredients that will be needed. I have oats, some bananas, vanilla essence, soy milk. You can use any plant-based milk of your choice, almond milk, coconut milk, and others. I have eggs, baking powder, and baking soda. Then I have baking pan, mixing bowl, spatula, and pastry brush, as well as blender. I start by preheating the oven. I set it to the highest temperature so that when I put the bread in, I will reduce it to the preferred temperature. I then grease the baking pan with just a little bit of butter, just to make it easy for me to remove the bread when it's done. Then I blended about 1/3 of the oats into flour. You can decide not to blend some, just use it whole, and it's still going to come out very nice. After blending, I peel all the bananas into the mixing bowl, and with potato masher or fork, you mash it to become semi-puree. That is, in a consistency that is not too smooth. Please, all the ingredients and their measurements are going to be written in the description box down below, so you feel free to check it out. Mashing the bananas, I then mix all the wet ingredients. I added the eggs into the mashed bananas, then the milk and the vanilla essence. I mix it very well for all of them to combine, and then set it aside. It's now time to mix the dry ingredients. So I added the baking soda and the baking powder into the oats and also mixed it very well to combine. After that, I then combine the wet and the dry ingredients together. I mix it very well, making sure all the ingredients are very well combined. Then I poured it into the baking pan. Then sprinkle just a little bit of the oats on top of the mixture, and it was ready for the oven. Remember, our oven is already on and is preheating. Before I put the bread in the oven, I first put a bowl of water in the oven. Then I put the bread also in, just on top of the water. It's going to make the bread very moist and not too dry. Then you close the oven and set the temperature at 150 degrees Celsius and bake for 1 hour. So after an hour, our oat banana bread is looking yummy and very nice. Trust me, this is the healthiest bread you can ever have instead of refined white flour bread. You can eat this anytime without feeling any guilt. This bread will not spike your blood sugar level or insulin level. Also, it's very healthy and very filling. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like and share the video. See you again on another episode of Healthy Living with Comfort. Bye.